flatlined. It's like a red and green blinking. Focus on commodities. Manisha is here with what's the top commodity on our mind today. Manisha, morning.
Morning, Prashant. Thank you for that. Well, I'm looking at the rubber prices, which are trading at a 5-week highs. Well, there are various supportive factors which are keeping the rubber prices in favor. One is that there is strong demand improvement coming in from the auto and the tire manufacturers there. Also, when you look at the supply concerns that have been erupting from various producers within the Asian markets, especially Thailand, where we have seen recent rains disrupting supplies there. And then the EU deforestation matter is something that the markets are keeping a keen eye on. It also has to do with the Red Sea impact, where you have seen disruption within the routes and also higher times, free trades, unavailability of containers. Those are some of the factors that also are keeping the prices higher. If you look at the global markets, then it is also about the EV demand, which the street is keeping an eye on. These are the numbers really, because in 2023 January, you saw 660,000 units being sold when it comes to new EV sales. For Jan 2024, it has been almost a double number at 1.1 million units there. Keep an eye also on in sense of the deficit in the global markets there, and the global rubber production, when you look at that, has been slightly on the weaker side. The international markets have been in deficit since 2021, and 24 could be no different. Production in 24 is estimated at around 15.05 million tons, while consumption is anticipated much higher at 15.52 million. And remember, we are in a deficit, and this is going to be a fourth straight year of deficit as far as rubber availability is concerned. Keep an eye also in the Indian rubber markets, and this is the production and the consumption numbers that you have seen in last few years there. So while the production has been increasing, but at a very small note, the consumption clearly has been jumping with leaps and bounds. The markets do believe that last year, while the rubber prices were quite flat, but this year you could be looking at surge continuing in for those prices.
All right, Manisha, thanks a lot for that. So let's now